This gorgeous, completely remodeled country home is move-in ready. Rehabbed from top to bottom and from the inside out, you will enter into a home with a wonderfully open floor plan. The large living room is perfect for family gatherings and entertaining guests. As you make your way toward the kitchen, you'll find incredible upgrades including granite countertops, recessed lighting, ceiling fan, stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinet space, and a large walk-in pantry. The master suite comes complete with a brick fireplace with gas hookup, beautiful views of the surrounding hills and countryside, a large walk-in closet, and private bath. Two more bedrooms are perfect for your growing family or can be used as home office or flex space. The garage has been completely remodeled and comes with epoxy flooring. Situated on just over an acre of land, you'll marvel at the beautiful views and room to use as horse property or storage for all of your recreational toys and equipment. This property is located just minutes from Highway 14, as well as great shopping, restaurants, and recreational activities. Acton is truly a great place to call home.